Gabriel's pressure washing and more. Like I said, today y'all caught me on that maintenance in the back, the yard maintenance. And right now, see, that's what I'm talking about. Gabriel's pressure washing and more. My service talks about it. Right now I'm pressure washing. Y'all didn't even know I was gonna pressure wash the day off that the same house. So yeah, right now I'm working on the trim. I already spread my solution. Sorry, knocked down the mold on the bottom, but still have a little bit of mold. I'm about to go get a pressure washer right now for this customer, and then I'm going to pressure wash all this off. But yeah, I had already spread my formula. It's knocked down all the mold already. I don't know if you can see that. And like right here, see this orange? Well, there's a whole bunch of spots of mold all throughout here on this. So now I'm gonna clean this up with the pressure washer after I had let my formula sit from the pressure washer chemical. So once I let it sit to kill off the mold, I'm gonna knock this off real quick, and that's to add to the maintenance for the day. 863-512-1811. Thank you. Gabriel's pressure washing and more. 863-512-1811. Customers asking to just pressure wash the trim, and that's all I'm gonna do is pressure wash the front trim. And now y'all see, I do pressure wash as well, other than landscaping. But I do landscape and more. Multi-service, remember. Polk County, Florida. Heart of Florida. See that black trim? Right here. This black trim right here. See this? Let me see if I'm gonna focus. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot worse than this. I'm saying. Looks a lot better, right? I know it's better, right? Let's get it moving y'all down the road and see it all. Focus on the black trim, guys. Gonna target this last corner to this point right here for this part of the show. You know, customer didn't ask for much today. They already had their maintenance in the back. I know y'all saw the preview beginning of the video. I just wanted y'all to see that there was pressure washing the more I do pressure wash. So as you can see in this area is like how the whole front end looks from what you had seen me pressure wash. So now you're gonna see me finish up. Looks mighty good, don't you think so? I think so myself. Like I was saying, Gabriel's Pressure Washing and More. Found it in Polk County, Florida. Number is 863-512-1811. I do a great job, I say so myself. Yeah, so like I said, the green y'all seen the way it was on that last corner. I know I missed out on the video, but that's how this whole curve was. Just like what you just seen in the finish. This video is just short clips to add to the service I've done today on the lawn service on the backyard of the house. And yeah, now you know why I'm called Gabriel's Pressure Washing and More. So Gabriel's Pressure Washing and more services is what the more is. And so that's what that customer asked for today. The lawn service and the fascia cleaned off. You always want to look presentable. Who doesn't want to look presentable? I want to look presentable. So 863-512-1811. Gabriel's Pressure Washing and More. Call me anytime, Polk County, Florida. Time for me to wrap it up here, guys. You have a great pressure washing day.